How to recover your account password on Gmail. Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily recover your Gmail account's password, and that is also without recovery email and phone number. But before we get started, make sure to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button on the channel. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your web browser. I'm just going to use my Google Chrome. And here on the search bar, you're just going to search for Gmail recovery. And once you search for Gmail recovery, you just hit enter. And from here, you just want to head over to this link right here, accounts.google.com. So just tap on account support. Now this will ask you to enter the email or phone number. So I'm just going to enter my email. Once you do so, hit next. And it will start searching for your account. So just tap on try another way. Now you can, if you remember, you can enter your password or get a verification code on your email account. But if you don't have this, you can try another way to sign in. And from here, you just tap on continue. So you will have to check your email after 6 hours for this to verify that this phone is yours. But if this does not help, you want to head over to support.google.com, and once you do that, tap on your profile at the top right corner. From here, you're going to tap on help guide, and it will pop out a digital assistant. So you can address your issue as account access and chat with it to find a possible solution. So that is pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.